And here it is, all done and looking really good. I'm quite pleased with it. The only problem is the light. I've not got a lot of light, so my camera's not doing it justice, but basically really simple little build. So stripped it, got some real rider wheels I had spare, big and smalls, cut the axles down and glued the ends so they're spinning nice and they're all to size, and I think they look really good on this. And then the front end, I chrome the lights, if you can see that, and blackwash the grille like it should be. And on the back I did as best the job I could on the little lights, very small, but I managed to paint them anyway, so they haven't turned out too bad. And then, like I showed earlier on in the video, I think that's supposed to be a cam belt cover and excuse me, a blower motor. Not that you can see it now, but I did chrome it just to give it a bit more effect, but in the daylight you'll see them little bits poking out, which will look pretty good. So it's turned out really quite nice, and like I said, it rolls really well. A little bit wonky, as I've like I said, in my own axles, but anyway, it is Wheel Swap Wednesday and it is a giveaway. I haven't done one for a couple of 3 weeks now, I think. So if you want a chance to win this 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS wagon that's been wheel swapped and detailed by me, all you've got to do is leave a respectful comment in this video. Anybody that leaves a respectful comment will be entered, and then next week, on next week's Wheel Swap Wednesday, I will announce, like I always do, who's won. I will count up all the comments, write them all down to a piece of paper, stick them into a hat, so to speak. You know the drill by now, anybody that knows my channel, and I will send it worldwide. But anyway, with that being said, please like, share, subscribe, stay tuned for more Wheel Swap Wednesdays, unboxings, vintage pieces, restorations and all that good stuff. And with that, I'll see you all again very soon. Thank you for watching.